Hello there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Get ready to dive headfirst into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency savings with our thrilling video, How to Save Money in Cryptocurrency, your comprehensive guide. Hold on tight because we've got a treasure trove of valuable insights, in-depth knowledge, and a few chuckles along the way. Now, before we start this exciting journey of crypto savings, please keep in mind that this how-to video is not financial or tax advice. However, it will provide you with 6 easy steps, along with tips, tricks, and tools to help you keep more of your crypto earnings in your pocket. Let's get started. Keeping your crypto safe. In the past, the US dollar used to be backed by actual gold, known as the gold standard. However, today's economy relies on fiat money, meaning our dollar bills and coins aren't backed by gold or other physical assets. Instead, let's talk about how to keep your cryptocurrency secure. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC, takes this concept even further. Any physical items or any government does not back it. There's no need for a bank either. Bitcoin is the first ever cryptocurrency, and it operates in a decentralized way with the help of complex cryptography and a network of users. Instead of gold, Bitcoin relies on something called blockchain technology. Since there's no bank involved, individuals must take responsibility for storing their Bitcoin securely. This can be tricky because cryptocurrency doesn't have the same protections as money in a traditional bank account. If someone gains access to your digital assets, they can easily steal them. So, how do you safely store your cryptocurrency? There are several methods, including custodial, cold, hot, and physical wallets. Each has its way of keeping your crypto safe. But remember, regardless of the method you choose, you'll have a set of private keys. These keys are like secret codes that let you access your cryptocurrency. If you lose these keys or they get stolen, you could lose access to your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you have, whether digitally or physically. So, whether you're worried about losing a physical item, your digital device failing, or hacking attempts, properly storing your Bitcoin requires careful planning. Let's explore how to do it safely. Don't worry, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. We're here to give you the info and tips to help you save money with confidence. If you're excited about that, go ahead and hit that like button below and let's get started. Number 1, storing your crypto safely in a custodial wallet. A custodial wallet is like having a third party take care of your cryptocurrency. When you buy coins through exchanges or apps, they often put them in a custodial wallet that they control. But if you have a lot of crypto, you might want to move it to your own hot or cold wallet. Hot meaning online and cold meaning offline. Now all crypto platforms let you do this. Some let you buy and sell crypto, but won't let you transfer it. Custodial wallets are easy to use because your crypto is in your account, making trading simple. But there's a catch. The third party controls your assets. You're basically trusting their security and hoping they won't lock you out of your account. Custodial wallets are less secure, but they're super convenient for investing in crypto. Just make sure to choose an exchange with top-notch security. You can use this wallet online or on your computer or even your phone. It's best to keep a small amount of Bitcoin here for spending and store the rest in cold storage, which is much safer. Remember to secure your wallet to prevent unauthorized access. If you're considering using this wallet, it's good for worldwide access, but keeping many assets in it could be risky due to hacking. You can find a suitable wallet using a tool on the Bitcoin website based on your preferences and needs. Choosing a custodial wallet is like renting a furnished apartment. You have everything available to you, but you depend on the landlord for maintenance and security. Number 2, storing your crypto safely in a cold wallet. A cold wallet is like a super safe hiding spot for your cryptocurrency because it's mostly offline. One common type of cold wallet is the hardware wallet, a small gadget that links to your computer and holds your Bitcoin. It's like your secret crypto vault. These hardware wallets use the internet to send and get crypto, but keep the rest safely offline. So, you simply connect the wallet to your computer, create an address for receiving your crypto, and you're good to go. It's pretty easy, super effective, and most importantly, safe. Plus, you can move your crypto from this wallet to another crypto address if needed. The wallet might also give you a recovery phrase, like a spare crypto key. Don't worry, if you lose your device, you can still get your crypto back. In crypto, cold wallets are the best way to keep your money safe. Even big platforms use them to protect most of their crypto from hackers. With a cold wallet, your crypto is safe from online theft or fraud because it's not connected to the internet. A cold wallet is a smart investment if you're a big-time Bitcoin owner. Some even come with tamper-proof labels for added security, but keep in mind they can cost more due to manufacturing and shipping. The best part, you have full control over your coins without relying on anyone else. Now, the downside is that cold wallets aren't the speediest. If you want to move your crypto, you must connect your cold wallet, which can take longer than doing things online. There are various hardware wallets with prices ranging from $50 to $150, so you have options to suit your needs. To ensure your financial success and cryptocurrency savings, robust transaction tracking is the foundation you need. Think of yourself as a crypto detective, channeling your inner Sherlock Holmes to record every financial move meticulously. Maintaining a comprehensive transaction log is your secret weapon, whether it's crypto purchases, sales, trades, or even the occasional crypto gift. And guess what? We've got your back with a treasure trove of tools and tips to make this tracking journey a breeze. So if you're hungry for more insights on managing your crypto wealth, drop us a comment and give that like button a friendly tap. There is a crypto storage that is robust as a complex puzzle lock, ensuring only authorized users can access and manage their cryptocurrency holdings. Let's dive in. Number 3, Ledger Nano X, the Fort Knox of crypto storage. In the world of crypto security, Ledger Nano X is like Fort Knox. It's a hardware wallet and a real-life gadget where your Bitcoin's secret keys stay safe offline. Ledger, the company behind it, made the older Ledger Nano S and the newest and ultra-secure Ledger Nano X, considered the safest hardware wallet in the crypto realm. What makes it so great? Well, for starters, it works with almost every major crypto out there, and it keeps adding support for new ones every day. Security-wise, it's a beast. They've considered how someone might mess with it and packed it with protections. It even has a special security element that's as tough as what's used to protect credit cards. This gadget is so smart that it can control how it talks to other devices. It has a fancy dual-core system and runs on a secure operating system. It encrypts Bluetooth, so you can't just sneak in through that route. It's so secure that it got a stamp of approval from France's cybersecurity agency. So, if you're all about keeping your crypto super safe, Ledger Nano X has your back. It's like having a bank vault in your pocket for your digital treasure. Hey there, let's take a quick moment to appreciate your incredible enthusiasm for saving money in cryptocurrency. If you found this journey into the world of crypto savings enlightening and valuable, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means everything to us as we strive to bring you more money saving tips and continue this incredible journey together. Storing all your cryptocurrency in a hot wallet is like carrying your life savings in your wallet while walking through a crowded market. It's convenient but risky in a public setting. Number 4, keep your crypto in your pocket. But watch out, hot wallets are like having your cryptocurrency in your digital pocket. They're online, often as apps on your computer or phone. These wallets give you control over your crypto. They're usually free, super user-friendly, and they let you send and receive crypto fast. Plus, they come with a backup phrase, so you can recover your crypto if you ever get locked out of your hot wallet. But here's the catch. Hot wallets are vulnerable to hacking since they're online. While the odds of that are happening are pretty low, it's not a risk you'd want to take if you hold a ton of crypto. There are different hot wallets like MetaMask and Coinbase wallet, each with its specialty. But remember, your crypto is only as safe as how you use it. So it's smart to keep just a small amount in your hot wallet for spending and the rest in a super secure cold wallet. And don't forget, if you keep your crypto on an exchange, you're using a hot wallet, which isn't the safest move. So be cautious out there in the crypto jungle. Number 5, paper wallets. Old school, but still secure. Ever heard of paper wallets? They're a form of cold storage for your crypto and are as straightforward as they come. Imagine a piece of paper with special codes on it, your public and private keys. You need these keys to send and receive crypto. Before you make any transactions, you have to scan these keys. Like hardware wallets, paper wallets keep your crypto safe by keeping it offline. The cool thing is, you can make your paper wallet for free, which is awesome for top-notch security on a budget. But here's the catch. Paper wallets are not the most user-friendly way to store crypto. They require more digital currency know-how than other options. Plus, they can get lost, damaged, or faded. And if you use the same address more than once, it can get a bit complicated. So while paper wallets provide great anonymity, they also come with their own set of challenges. Think of paper wallets as digital hieroglyphs, where deciphering the symbols is essential to access your cryptocurrency. But any damage to the symbols can render them indecipherable. Number 6. The smart way to store crypto. For a smart crypto storage strategy, consider using 2 types of wallets: a hot spending wallet and a cold savings wallet. The hot spending wallet is your go-to for everyday expenses, holding a moderate amount of crypto for quick access. On the other hand, your cold savings wallet functions as your digital piggy bank, securely storing most of your assets, including Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. By dividing your crypto holdings between these 2 wallets, you balance convenience and security, ensuring your digital wealth remains safe and accessible. Employing a hot spending wallet and a cold savings wallet is like having a wallet for daily pocket money and a treasure chest for your most valuable possessions, ensuring accessibility and protection. Phew, what an incredible journey it has been, my fellow crypto savers. From unraveling the basics of saving money in cryptocurrency to mastering advanced strategies, we have covered it all. Remember, by applying these insights, you'll boost your savings and emerge victorious in your financial journey. Before we wrap up, we have one last thing to ask of you, our amazing audience. If you found this exploration of saving money in cryptocurrency enlightening and valuable, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to share your amazing money saving strategies from your crypto journey in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Your support means everything to us as we strive to bring you more valuable content and continue this incredible journey together.